Information and Communication Technology, or ICT, plays a major role in globalization. It allows people, businesses, and countries to communicate and share information quickly across the world. Through the internet, social media, and digital devices, ICT connects different parts of the world and makes global interaction easier. Positive impact of ICT on globalization. Communication. ICT makes communication faster and easier. People from different countries can instantly communicate through email, video calls, and social medias. This helps businesses collaborate internationally and allows individuals to stay connected with others around the world. Economy. ICT helps businesses reach global markets. Companies can sell products online and communicate with international partners. It also creates new job opportunities such as remote work, freelancing, and digital entrepreneurship. Education. ICT provides access to a large amount of information and learning resources. Students can attend online classes, watch educational videos, and access digital libraries. This helps improve education and learning opportunities worldwide. Negative impact of ICT on globalization. Digital divide. Not everyone has equal access to ICT. Some countries or communities lack internet access, computers, or digital skills. This creates a gap between those who can benefit from technology and those who cannot. Cybercrime. The use of ICT can also lead to problems such as hacking, identity theft, and online scams. Personal information shared online can be misused, which creates security and privacy risks. Technology dependence. ICT can make people too dependent on technology. Many individuals rely heavily on smartphones, computers, and the internet for communication, work, and daily activities. This can reduce face-to-face interaction and may affect productivity when technology is unavailable. Conclusion. ICT plays an important role in globalization by improving communication, business, and education. However, it also brings challenges such as inequality in access and online security problems. Proper use of ICT and better regulations can help maximize its benefits while reducing its negative effects.